Brain chip vision is now real. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Sunday, October 26, 2025. Stanford's implant is not a tweak. 27 of 32 trial participants regained readable sight within a year. This first prosthetic to restore form vision forces immediate debates: who gets access, who holds patents, and how fast can clinics scale implantation? Visual implant demo and reading tests. Next, swallowable bioprinting. The meds capsule deposits living gel to seal internal wounds. Think field medics and remote clinics where surgery is a pill away if regulators and supply chains keep up. Hardware wins this week. Spout's monolith AWG uses NASA tech to pull water from air. Village resilience in arid zones depends on energy and upkeep. And in a garage, a YouTuber captured photons at 2 billion frames per second, showing light scattering in real time. Viral science clips also revealed smoke behaving like liquid, tiny visuals that teach massive physics. Quick trivia: a woman was once struck by a meteorite. History is stranger than fiction. This week mixes medicine, DIY physics, and tools with societal consequences. Which scares you more, unequal access or misuse? That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about this week's science surprises in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.